Imagine this. You've worked hard for years. You've built your body, your business, your image. You've done everything you were told would make you desirable. You've got the car, the clothes, the confidence, at least on paper. But something still feels off. Women are polite. They show interest, but not passion. They talk to you, but they don't chase you. You're always the one trying. Then you see another guy. He's got less money, no flashy lifestyle. And somehow, women are obsessed with him. You start to wonder, what does he have that I don't? What if I told you that everything you've been taught about attraction is completely backwards? That the things you think make you high value are actually destroying desire? Because women aren't drawn to your success. They're drawn to your energy. They don't fall for what you own. They fall for who you are. When you stop trying to prove anything, society lied to you. It told you to get in shape, make money, dress better, climb higher. Then women will come. But that formula doesn't create connection. It creates performance. You build an image, not presence. And presence is what women crave. They don't measure your worth. They feel it. They sense when you're desperate for approval. They sense when your confidence is fake. When you try too hard, you instantly place yourself below her. But the man who doesn't chase, who doesn't need validation, who's comfortable in silence, automatically radiates higher value. That's when obsession begins. The most magnetic man isn't the richest, isn't the most handsome. He's the calmest. His power is quiet. His confidence is still. He knows his worth, whether others see it or not. That's real value. Not what you have, but how you carry yourself. You've heard about pre-selection, but most men get it wrong. It's not about bragging, not about showing off. Real pre-selection is energy. It's the calm certainty of someone who knows he's desired, but doesn't need to prove it. You can't fake that. Women feel authenticity instantly. Most men build external value. Money, muscles, status. But real power is internal. It's peace. It's knowing you're enough without approval. A man who's calm inside is untouchable. A man addicted to validation is easily controlled. When you need a woman's attention, you lose power. You give her control over your emotions. And she can feel it. That's why calm men stand out. They don't hand over their emotional power. And ironically, that's what makes women chase them. Presence is magnetic. Most men never listen. They're stuck in their heads, planning, performing, pretending. But the man who can be still, who truly listens, who makes her feel seen, becomes unforgettable. Ask yourself, why do you chase success? Why do you want status? Why do you want to impress? Most of your goals aren't even yours. They're programmed by society. The free man creates his own path. He moves with purpose. And that freedom is what people and women crave. True masculinity is emotional control. You stay centered, no matter what she says or does. You're calm in chaos, stable in storms, unmoved, because your peace doesn't depend on anyone else. That's the energy women can't resist. Here's the paradox. When you stop chasing sex, you gain control. When you stop needing approval, you find peace. And when you don't need anyone, you become magnetic to everyone. You don't attract by becoming more. You attract by realizing you're already enough. This isn't about techniques. It's about transformation. Become so complete within yourself that you no longer chase validation. Because the man who needs nothing attracts everything.